Hey, I'm Justin here at Dalinghaus Construction. We spend every single day helping homeowners in California and Arizona fix, stabilize, and reinforce their foundation and walls. You know, cinder block walls are supposed to be tough. They're built for strength, whether it's your basement, your garage, or a retaining wall in your yard. But let's be honest, when you spot a crack in that solid wall, it's a gut check moment. Today, we're gonna break down everything you need to know about cinder block cracks, why they happen, which ones are harmless, and which cracks are an absolute red flag that require immediate structural repair. And most importantly, we'll show you how Dalinghaus fixes them for good. So, why do cinder block walls crack? It's usually not about age, it's about movement, pressure, and moisture. The wall is reacting to forces it wasn't designed to handle. Cause 1, foundation settlement. This is the big one, especially in our region, whether it's Arizona's dry, shifting soil or California's expansive clay. When the soil underneath your foundation shifts or sinks, it pulls on your structure. That movement translates directly into stress cracks in your block walls. Cause 2, hydrostatic pressure. Think of this as water pushing from the outside. If you have poor drainage, heavy rain saturates the soil and water builds up behind a basement or retaining wall. That immense pressure forces the wall inward, causing what we call bowing and eventually cracking. Cause 3, tree roots and soil expansion. Massive tree roots pushing against an exterior wall or expansive soil swelling up after rain can exert constant lateral force, leading to severe diagonal or horizontal cracks over time. Cause 4, seismic activity. Let's face it, we're an earthquake country. Even minor seismic activity can stress older, unreinforced cinder block walls, contributing to existing damage or causing new fractures. Now, let's talk crack types. Not all cracks signal disaster, but you need to know what you're looking at. Type 1, vertical cracks. These run mostly up and down. They are often a sign of simple shrinkage or minor uniform settlement. If they're small hairline cracks, they might just need monitoring. They're usually the least urgent, but don't ignore them. Type 2, diagonal or stair-step cracks. These are a much clearer warning sign. They follow the mortar joints in a zigzag pattern looking like a staircase. Stair-step cracks almost always indicate differential foundation settlement, meaning one part of your wall or foundation is sinking faster than another. These will worsen if ignored. Type 3, the horizontal crack. Stop everything. If you see a crack running parallel to the ground in your cinder block wall, you need to call a professional immediately. A horizontal crack is the single biggest red flag. It means the wall is actively bowing or buckling inward under tremendous lateral pressure, usually from hydrostatic pressure or expansive soil. This is a severe structural issue that needs an inspection now. Section 3, repair options. So, you found a crack, what's the fix? Well, it depends on the severity. Option 1, surface level cosmetic repair. If you have a true hairline crack, no signs of movement, and the wall is structurally sound, you can clean it out and use a hydraulic cement or masonry filler. This is a simple cosmetic fix, mostly for things like garage or unfinished basements, but it will not stop structural movement. Option 2, structural epoxy injection. For narrow hairline cracks that go deep but are stable, we can use a structural epoxy injection. We inject a high-strength epoxy into the crack under pressure, sealing the gap and restoring some of the wall's original strength. This is great for stabilizing vertical or minor stair-step cracks. Option 3, carbon fiber reinforcement. If your wall has started to bow, even slightly due to pressure, our first line of structural defense is often carbon fiber. We attach high-strength carbon fiber straps to the inside of the wall with industrial-grade epoxy. It's minimally invasive, nearly invisible, and stops the wall from moving inward, providing powerful reinforcement. Option 4, wall anchors or helical tiebacks. For walls that have moved significantly, say more than 2 inches, or where the cracking is severe and accompanied by bulging, we often recommend wall anchors. This involves installing steel plates on the inside of your wall, connected by rods that extend deep into the stable, undisturbed soil outside. We gradually tighten the system to straighten the wall and permanently transfer the soil pressure away from your cinder block wall. Option 5, full rebuild. This is rare, but if a wall is crumbling, collapsing, or completely beyond stabilization, usually due to long-term neglect of a horizontal crack and severe water intrusion, the only safe option is to rebuild it from the foundation up. We only recommend this when no repair system can safely restore the wall. So, how do you know when it's time to call in the professionals? We have a good rule of thumb, the nickel rule. If you can slide a nickel into the crack, or if the crack is a stair-step or horizontal shape, you need to schedule a structural inspection, period. Other warning signs include widening gaps over time, water leaking through the cracks, or noticeable bulging or leaning. At Dalinghaus Construction, we don't do temporary patch jobs. We're interested in long-term structural repairs. That's why we follow a simple 3-step process. Step 1, the free inspection. One of our experts will come out, assess the cracks, measure the wall's movement, and determine the root cause. Is it cosmetic, or is it foundation settlement or pressure? Step 2, custom repair plan. We tailor a structural plan just for your home and budget. Whether it's carbon fiber, wall anchors, or another custom solution, it's designed to fix the cause and not just the symptom. Step 3, expert repair. Our licensed, insured, and foundation certified local crews get the job done right the first time, giving you the peace of mind and the solid warranties that come with the Dalinghaus name. We've seen too many homeowners waste money on quick patches that just don't last. Cracks in your cinder block walls aren't just an eyesore, they are your home trying to communicate a serious structural problem. The sooner you act, the easier and frankly, the cheaper the solution will be. Don't wait until the minor stair-step cracks become a major wall-failing emergency. Take advantage of our free inspection offer today. You'll get an honest assessment from local experts who understand California and Arizona soil conditions. Click the link below, visit dalinghausconstruction.com, or give us a call to schedule your free inspection. Let's make sure your strong home starts with strong, stable walls. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next home improvement guide.